Hi everybody, welcome to Borek Kitchen. Here's the recipe. Today I have a dish for you which is very easy to make and doesn't take too long. It can be prepared for a breakfast, for a lunch, for a brunch as well. It is a Turkish pastry called börek. And I will make it with ready-made dough and show you two different preparations of that. And one is the sigara börek and the second one is the tavada börek. But before starting with these recipes, let me remember you to subscribe to this channel and let your comment. And now keep watching and let's do with these yummy pastries. First thing I do is prepare the mixture that I will use for the ready-made dough. For that, pour 200 ml milk in a bowl. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons melted butter into and mix it well. I cut a bunch of fresh parsley. Then cut up about 200 grams sheep's cheese. This cheese is very salty, so I don't add any extra salt. You can use shepherd's cheese as well if you want. You should make sure that the white cheese which you use should be a little bit fatty. Bring the ingredients together and mix them. I'll show you the ready-made dough, called yufka in Turkish cuisine. This is the dough that I will use as a pan pastry. Pieces are large and round. You can find it in Turkish or in Greek grocery stores. Maybe they are also available in Oriental stores. Oil the pan with butter. Place a large piece in the pan, like this. Since it's very thin, it breaks up quickly, but it is not bad, don't worry about that. We can put the pieces on top. I put another layer in the pan to make the bottom a little thicker. Now I'm oiling the layer. And spread the cheese mixture into the yufka. I added some red paprika powder and black pepper into the mixture. You can season the cheese mixture as you want. Spread off the milk mixture into. Cover the whole thing up like a package. And this is my dough package. Pour the rest of the milk mixture over the pan so that the dough doesn't get dry. Very important, spread nicely with melted butter. This gives it a delicious taste and the surface becomes crispy when we turn the dough. Fry the dough with the lid closed on medium heat until the bottom is golden. Don't leave the pan alone while frying. Check the ground, it fries relatively quickly. And then turn it over and fry the other side until it turns golden. As I repeat in all of my videos, you can find the recipes in the video description as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to do this. Add your comments and questions. And if you activate the bell, you will be notified of the new videos. Now, we are doing the same cheese mix for the cigara boreks. Pastries look like cigarettes. Therefore, I bought triangular yufkas for this. If you can find these types of yufkas in stores, you can use the big yufkas. Just cut them into 3 square pieces like this one. I'll show you how I fill and roll them. Take 2 teaspoons of the filling and spread it along the edge. Fold the corners inwards on the right and left and roll it up to tip. I dip the tip into the milk so that it sticks to the end. I'll show you this part a little bit longer without shortening too much. And this piece is the last one. And ready for the pan. Pour vegetable oil, not olive oil, into the pan and wait on medium heat. When the oil starts to sizzle, add the böreks into. But don't make the pan too hot. Since the filling is a greasy cheese, the cheese would leak and burn. Take the fried boreks to drain on a kitchen towel. So, we are done with everything. Since I had a lot of dough, I made 2 pans of boreks. Time to cut and check it closer. Look at that, that's what I wanted to see. Nicely fried and crispy on the outside, soft in the inside, and with a delicious filling. It's the same with the cigarettes boreks. They are crispier because they weren't soaked with milk. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon. Bye!